welcome back to my channel, and it's Stacy here, and in today's video I'm going to share with you guys how you can plan and start your own YouTube channel. And I'm also going to show you a tutorial on how you can actually start a YouTube channel using your phone. You don't need any expensive camera and all of that. I'm just going to show you how you can start the YouTube channel using your phone, and I'm going to tell you all you need to do before you actually start your YouTube channel. So if that's something you're interested in, please make sure you keep watching this video till the end. So before we get into the video, I want you to do a little favor for me. Please hit the subscribe button below, subscribe to my channel, turn on the post notification so that YouTube will notify you whenever I upload a new video, and also give this video a big like because I know you're going to enjoy it. And without wasting much time, let's get into the video. So you might be asking yourself why you should start a YouTube channel. I personally believe that everybody should have a YouTube channel, just because I believe all of us have gifts and talents and whatever we feel like we want to share with the world. Like I keep saying, YouTube is a very good investment that is going to pay off if you just stay focused and put in the work. Even though it seems like YouTube is too saturated, there are a lot of people on the platform, but I personally believe that there's space for everybody on this earth. I believe that if everybody decides to start a YouTube channel, everyone is still going to get views, okay? Because nobody does things like you do, okay? Sometimes I watch tutorials. It's basically for the same thing, but I understand one person more than I understand maybe the previous person or whatnot. So yeah, nobody does something exactly like you do it, and there are people that are going to relate more to how you do something than the other person, and there are people that are going to relate more to how that person does something than how you do it. You understand? So don't let oversaturation hold you back. Get in there, choose whatever you want to do, and begin your YouTube channel. Now that you've been encouraged to start your YouTube channel, I'll go ahead and tell you how you can plan to start your YouTube channel, because you don't just get up one day and say, I'm starting a YouTube channel. There's a little bit of planning that needs to go down in order to make sure that you are successful as a YouTuber. The first thing you want to do before beginning your YouTube channel is actually think about the kind of videos you want to create. Do you want to create hair videos, videos for skincare? Do you want to create video games, business videos, and all of that? There are a whole lot of niches. You just have to think about what kind of videos you want to create. The next step is to think about your YouTube channel name. What name do you want to give to your channel? Okay, and sometimes the niche or the kind of videos that you plan to create are going to affect the name of your channel for some people. If you like, you can go with your name, just your name. And also, if you want, you can add a keyword of what your channel is about on your YouTube name. So maybe you can blend your name and the keyword. Like most people that are into maybe natural hair will go like, for example, you say Stacy Natural and all of that, you understand? If that's something that you're interested in, you can maybe add, like I said, a keyword of what your channel is about and then your name, or maybe just go by a nickname or something like that. It's all up to you, but I personally prefer to use my name. That way I don't want to like limit myself. On my channel I like to share a lot of stuff, so I just use my name. And I see a lot of YouTubers these days changing their names from the nicknames they used to have and other names, and then just using their own name, okay? Because your name will actually be your brand. So some people just decide to brand their names. So it all depends on you, but you will have to think about your YouTube channel name before actually even starting the YouTube channel. So first you think about what kind of videos you want to create. Second, you think about your channel name. The third thing you have to do is to actually take your time and come up with 70 to 100 video ideas. Actually write them down, okay? Write down these 70 to 100 video ideas so that once you start, you don't get stuck. Most people start like, okay, you plan one video, you upload it, and then the next week people are waiting on you and you are nowhere to be found. This is because you did not plan. So now you don't know what video to post next or what to do. So before you actually create a YouTube channel, you have to do this. Come up with at least 70 to 100 video ideas. Write them down so that once you start your YouTube channel, you just keep going and then without getting stuck, if you know what I mean. A couple of months back, I was talking to a friend and she was telling me she wants to start a YouTube channel, and she told me that right now she's just actually writing down her video ideas. She wants to come up with a lot of video ideas that she wants to make before she will actually start. And I was very impressed. I was like, you're actually on the right track, because that's what you're supposed to do. Even though most people ignore that, it's very important to write down all those video ideas so that every week you have something out there for your subscribers and you're not just stuck. Most people appear today on YouTube, post a video and disappear. Not because they don't want to post videos, but because they are stuck. They don't know what video to post next. So don't be that person. Plan out your videos. And yeah, the next thing you want to do before starting your YouTube channel is to go out there and learn how to edit videos. So if you have a phone, you don't actually need very expensive cameras and all of that when you're beginning. If you have a phone, go on your phone or go to YouTube or Google. You find out how to edit videos on Android phone, how to edit videos on iPhone, how to edit videos on whatever gadget you have that you want to use. Just do your research, get the apps that are recommended, and then you start practicing, okay? If you need to know how to do a thumbnail, which of course you need to know how to do a thumbnail. The thumbnail is the picture that you see before you click on the video. So you have to know how to do that. You have to know the dimensions and all of that. So do your research. If you want your videos to have intros, do your research on how you can do a simple intro or a complicated intro. It depends on you. There are all informations out there. Do your research on how you can do that. So when you've done your research on how you can edit your video, your thumbnail, intros, outros, and all of that, then you want to practice. You want to practice, practice, and practice. You can take your phone, record maybe yourself doing something, or just record a scenario and then go ahead and practice on how you can edit that. So that will give you a little bit of experience on what to do and what not to do and all of that. Just play around with the video and the video editing app, and then you see what you like best and how you want your videos to look and all of that. So all of this is done before you actually go ahead and create your YouTube channel. For those with iPhone, you can use iMovie to edit your videos. That's what I use. Use iMovie. I also use VLLO. I don't know if that's how they pronounce it. It's also another nice editing app that I use. So there are a whole lot of editing apps out there that you can use. But what I recommend is don't use those editing apps that have watermark. I don't think they look cool and professional unless you're buying it. And as a beginner, I don't think you want to start buying apps and all of that. So yeah, look for, like the ones I've mentioned, do not leave watermark on your videos, so you can try them out. And yeah, for Android phones, I really don't know, but you can do your research and you find something out there that you can use to edit your videos. You've come up with about 100 video ideas. You've done your research on how to edit, how to make your thumbnail, how to do your intros and outros and all of that. Then you're ready to create your YouTube channel, which I'm going to show you here how to create your YouTube channel and upload your first video. So let's watch the tutorial.
So what you want to do is open the YouTube app, and you're going to see this icon at the top right hand side, and you're going to click on it. It's going to lead you to this page. I already have some YouTube accounts or some Gmail accounts, that's why you see them, but now I'm going to add a new account. So just to show you guys how it's done, so it's going to lead me to this page so that I can add my new account. So when it leads you here, you're going to add the Gmail account you already created. So you need a Gmail account to have a YouTube channel. So I'm just going to put my Gmail address here, and then I'm going to put the password. At this point, if you don't have a Gmail created already, you can go ahead and click on the create account, and it's going to lead you to the steps where you're going to create your new account. But I already have my Gmail, so I went ahead and input the Gmail and the password. So you can choose to save the password, it depends on you. And now you see the new account is loading. So I'm now signed in with the new account. I'll click on the icon again. I'll come to my channel or your channel. Click on your channel and you're going to see the name. If you want to change the name of your YouTube channel, you can go ahead, but in this case I'm not going to change its name, so I'll go ahead and click on create channel. So you're about to create your new channel. So the channel is created. You come again and click on your channel. It's going to show you this page. So you haven't created any video, so to create a video, go ahead, click on create. So you can record a video or you can go live, or if you already recorded a video and saved on your phone, you just choose that, which I just did. You can trim, you can add filters and all of that. Then it will lead you. Now you can add create a title, add the title to your video, and then you can also add the description, like describing what the video is about. You can make the video public or private. You can add a location. There are a lot of other options, so it's up to you. You just want to do that, and then you go ahead and upload the video. When you're done, you can click on next and it's going to lead you to this other page, and you're going to select your options, if the video is made for kids or not, and also if to restrict it to viewers over 18 or not. So yeah, choose the options that best suits the video and continue to upload, and then the video will upload. So this is actually a very short video, just about 5 seconds, so it's not going to take that long to upload, but if it's a longer video, it's going to take longer. So yeah, the video has uploaded, and now I have a new video on my channel. So I'll go ahead and refresh. So when I click on videos, you can see one video, and I'll refresh my page, and you can see that I have a video now.
So after uploading your video, you want to add end screens. End screens are like promoting maybe a previous video or any other video on your channel, promoting your channel as well. So yeah, you can research how to add end screens. Make sure you add end screens. They actually help you promote your other videos, and then you can get more channel views. So after uploading and making sure everything is intact, you want to go ahead and promote your video on other social media platforms. Share with your friends so that people can go watch your videos. Nobody will know you have a YouTube channel if you don't share it. So you go out there, you share it. Also, I would advise that you create a schedule for yourself. What days do you want to post your videos? Is it Monday, Friday, or Sunday? Like whatever date you think you want to post your videos, and how many videos do you plan to post in a week? Just create a schedule so that your subscribers expect videos from you on this day. Sometimes when you're starting out, you actually don't know, but with time you're going to see what time is best for your subscribers. Okay, as you grow, you're going to have that data that will show you that okay, people watch your videos more at this time than at this time, so that you know that okay, I have to upload at this time. So as you grow, you're going to get more of that information, but you just have to create a schedule and be consistent with it. If you say you're going to post on Tuesday at this time, make sure at that time you post so that your subscribers expect that from you every Tuesday. One final advice I'll give you is to pre-record your videos, okay? Like maybe choose a day in the week when you think it's good for you, it's convenient for you to record, and you can record like 3 videos on that day. Like you record 2 to 3 videos in a day, you edit them, upload them on your YouTube channel. But now what I do is I save them as private, so only I can see until the day that I've decided that this video has to go on. That's when you make it public, you understand? So that you always have videos as backup, because some weeks get very busy and then you don't have time to record maybe that week. Imagine not having any video as backup, so it means your subscribers will not have any video to watch that week. So it's good to always pre-record your videos, edit them, upload them, and just keep them private until the day when you're ready to make them public. So that's another way to save time. And you can record videos in batches, okay? Like I said, 2 to 3 videos at a go is good. That's why it's good to always plan your videos. When you plan your videos, recording will be easier. So yeah, thank you guys for watching this video. I hope it helped you and inspired you to start your own YouTube channel. If you have any more questions regarding creating your YouTube channel, make sure you leave the comment below in the comment section and I'll get back to you, or maybe create another video showing you how I do it. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please give me a thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel, turn on post notification, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.